Day 7. Taking charge of the subconscious mind. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Earl Nightingale. You passed the danger point, so congratulations on reaching day 7 and completing day 6, the quit danger point. Taking charge of the subconscious mind. Today we will take a look under the hood of the subconscious mind and do a little fine-tuning, and I am going to show you how you undermine your own goals and what you can do to strengthen your personal desire and take charge of your subconscious mind. I want to talk to you about a 3-letter word that could completely undermine your attempts to continue your meditation. This word is so powerful that can even stop you from achieving your goals. After years as a meditation coach, I have lost count of the number of times I have heard clients use this word, and I have fallen into this trap myself. When you use this word, it means we have not truly committed to a daily meditation routine. It means we're much more likely to let other commitments get in the way, and the likelihood of you meditating goes down dramatically. But it's a word most of us use every single day. Want to know what it is? The word is try. I am going to try to meditate today. I am going to try to make the time. Now I want you to close your eyes and say, I will try to meditate today. Okay. Now I want you to use the word choose. I will choose to meditate today. Okay. What was the difference? Can you feel the difference? I choose means you're creating a strong desire and you have made that decision. You've made that commitment. I'm going to choose this today. You literally feel your determination when you use the word choose. The words we use to talk to ourselves about the things we want to do make an enormous difference. And if you use try, your subconscious mind takes that to mean it's not important, and it gives it a low priority and only a half-hearted commitment. It says to itself, it's okay if we do it, but it's no big deal if we don't do it. If you really want to achieve the goals you set, you really need to choose to do it. If you simply say to yourself, I will try, then you haven't really committed to that goal. And this goes for anything you want to achieve. So I would love to hear from you in the Q&A below. Have you been using try? And how did you feel after using choose instead? And please don't forget to leave a positive review if you feel that this course was helpful. Now sit comfortably and play your 10-minute guided meditation for focus and relaxation. Take a nice, deep letting go breath. Notice that you are already beginning to relax both mind and body. Go ahead and do this a few times, and when you exhale, actually think the word relax in your mind, so that you are giving yourself permission to relax right now. Now, if you haven't already, close your eyes. Very good. Now begin to feel a soothing, relaxing sensation on the top of your head. Feel that sensation moving down to relax your forehead, soothing away any tension. Then feel the relaxation moving down into your jaw, all the way down, and letting it hang loose and slack. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more. Feel your tongue relaxing. Feel the soothing relaxation moving down into your shoulders. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. And then moving down into the arms, relaxing the arms and moving all the way through to the fingertips. Feel the relaxing sensation and saying to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxing. Now feel the relaxing sensation moving into the torso, repeating to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. And then down into your legs, relaxing and flowing down all the way out through the bottoms of the feet. Very good now. Feel the relaxing sensation flowing through your body and saying to yourself mentally, I am going deeper and deeper, becoming more and more relaxed. Go ahead now and begin to imagine that you are standing on the top of a set of stairs, a staircase that is perfect for you and has 10 steps. And at the bottom of the staircase is waiting a peaceful and calming place. A perfect place for you where deep relaxation and healing is possible. Imagine stepping down now from the 10th step down to the 9th. Already you are getting closer to your place of peace. And with each and every decreasing number, you easily and effortlessly double your relaxation. 9 stepping down to 8. 7. The deeper you go, the better you feel. Stepping down to 6. The better you feel, the deeper you go. 5. Relaxing all the way down now. Repeat to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. 4. Keep going, you are almost there. 3. Getting ready to enter into your place of peace and relaxation. A place where deep relaxation and healing is possible. 2 and 1. Be there now and notice the details in your place of peace and relaxation. Notice the colors. Notice the sounds. Notice the pleasant smells. Notice how things feel when you touch them in your place of peace. Excellent work. Now imagine that a bright healing light shines down upon you. This light can be any color you find healing, shining on you like a heavenly spotlight. This bright healing light shines down upon you and melts away any stress in your body. It melts it away and completely evaporates tension. This bright healing light shining down upon you flows in and through you, melting, dissolving, and evaporating any fears you might have, completely melting them away. This bright healing light shines down upon you, melting away and evaporating any anger you might be holding on to. It cleanses everything and anything which is no longer serving you, cleaning up the energy around your body, cleaning your aura, and cleaning the inside of your body. This bright, healing light flows down into the top of your head, going all the way through your body and out through the bottoms of your feet. And the bright healing light cleans away and dissolves any pain or illness in your stomach, evaporating any fears or tensions or stress or anxiety in your stomach, melting it away now and evaporating it completely. And as the healing light moves in and around your heart, it cleanses and heals everything in and around your heart. Feel this light now moving into your throat, cleansing and healing everything and anything in your throat, so that when you speak, your words now reflect your highest self, removing any harsh or painful words that you don't mean to say. Feel it swirling around and moving into your brain as it cleanses and heals every single part of your brain, every single neuron in your brain, and every fiber of your mind are cleansed by this bright healing light, dissolving and evaporating any stress, worries, fears, angers, anything and everything you are ready to let go of now. And now that you are so clean and clear, repeat in your mind along with me, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. With a smile on your face, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. And notice this bright healing light within you and all around you has become you. And imagine as you journey into the world today, as you walk through life today, that you are bringing your bright healing light with you. And everyone you meet today, everyone you speak to, absorbs some of your bright healing light, and you have an infinite amount to give, so that everyone you interact with today also feels some of the peace you feel now. And imagine, as you go out into the world with your bright healing light, you are beginning a revolution, taking another nice deep letting go breath with a smile on your face. Open your eyes and know that you are looking forward to bringing your light out into the world. Thank you for listening, and remember, the more you listen to this recording, the deeper it will take you, and the longer the effects will last. Download your bonus 3-minute de-stress and relaxation audio, and this quick relaxation can be used for those times when you're stressed and need instant release.